Crypto Anonymous, I have 7 altcoins that I think will be huge. Not to mention, this could be the best crypto investment that you have heard in a long time. Getting right into it, we have what is known as XRP. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you guys don't know, XRP is literally about to end their lawsuit with the SEC, which means that XRP could be getting a massive pump very soon. Currently sitting at 40 cents. Rank is number 7. If we take a look to the downside, you guys will see for XRP that it has continued lately to pump to the upside. So I think that once this lawsuit is done and over with, that XRP is going to be pumping up to the upside like crazy. You heard that correct. And following right behind XRP, we have Stellar Lumens, which technically is a knockoff in my own personal opinion whenever it comes to XRP. So if XRP blows up, we're probably going to be expecting the same whenever it comes to Stellar Lumens. Currently sitting at number 26 at 12 cents. Ladies and gentlemen, if we take a look at the overall chart, you guys will see for Stellar Lumens, same exact thing, almost as XRP. However, XRP is starting to get a lot more attention than Stellar Lumens. But this could be a big payday for both Stellar Lumens and for XRP. So if you are investing in these, you have a great opportunity to see these pump very soon. And then we have Chili's. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a brand new crypto that I have been keeping my eyes on. This is big whenever it comes to the sports sector, the sports economy. If we take a look, we're currently sitting at 24 cents. Rank is number 37. Ladies and gentlemen, this thing has been going absolutely crazy lately. Get a look at this. This thing has pumped up before less than 1 penny all the way up to 80 cents during our last bull run, yet it is maintaining strong. So you guys can see we have a nice strong uptrend. There's a good chance that this one is going to get a lot more attention. Not only that, but we're expecting a lot more partnerships. Next, we have a Doge on Mars. So Doge on Mars is big whenever it comes to the Methuselah Foundation. There's a lot of words that, yes, Elon Musk might be behind this token, but can we verify that? Do we have any proof? No, we do not. Now, Doge on Mars has been selling off like crazy, but there is a good chance, ladies and gentlemen, that with the Methuselah Foundation putting in the work that they are putting in, that Doge on Mars could be exploding to the upside going into our next bull run. We're talking about a bigger move than our previous all-time high. So we need to keep eyes on Doge on Mars because this could be a very great opportunity. Really great opportunity. Next, we have a Digitory Tezuka. Ladies and gentlemen, this one has been getting a lot of attention, and why is that? Well, word around town is, since Roshi has went quiet on Twitter, that Roshi might actually be the founder and the creator of Digitory Tezuka. And if that is the case, you guys can see that this thing is a brand new. It has just been pumping to the upside, and it continues. The question is where will it be heading? Are we going to be looking for a big monster move to the upside very soon? Digitory Tezuka could be a wonderful investment. Obviously, it is still speculative. It is considered a meme coin, but this one could be pumping up like crazy. We're talking about some massive moves, ladies and gentlemen. Next, we have what is known as a Bone or the Shiba swap. Now, this one has been really interesting. So only thing that gives me a red flag is the fact that there's 3% supply currently circulating. But if we take a look, ladies and gentlemen, you guys can see that Bone has blown up in the future. This one has a lot to do with Shiba Inu. Obviously, it has a lot to do with Shiba Swap, right? Not only that, but we got Shiba Ririum coming. So if this happens, ladies and gentlemen, Bone could be looking for a monster pump to the upside. This one happens to do very well. It happens to pump. It happens to get a lot of attention. So this could be a really great opportunity. And then we have a baby Dogecoin. Baby Dogecoin is one that I have been really interested in. And the reason is because they have a burn mechanism. Technically, they are burning coins every single day. Now, yes, they have been breaking to the downside, but the volume has been maintaining strong, especially with this burning going on. Now, Baby Doge, going into our next massive bull run, I do believe that Baby Doge is going to pump up like crazy. The fact that they have a less circulating supply and that they continuously do this burn, Baby Dogecoin could be an amazing altcoin that we're going to be expecting to explode. So, ladies and gentlemen, there are our 7 potential investments, cryptocurrencies, that we are possibly expecting to explode very, very soon.